Wait now, wait. Are you ready? Ambazonia, 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 ayaya, ahead, ahead, ayaya, Ambazonia, ayaya, Ambazonia, Ambazonia, Ambazonia. Yes, Ambazonia, ever. Yes, and so.
Before you continue watching this video, which is the making of my upcoming presentation, please permit me to first of all send a special thank you to every patriotic Ambazonia out there. 21 gun salute to all of Winama people them. Thank you for standing with me. Thank you for standing with us in this our quest for freedom. The support that you guys gave to me in my previous videos is the reason why I have come out today with another message that I want you and I want us to send to the international community and send to La République du Cameroun, and also send it as a message of hope to our people in ground zero, and a message of hope to our people who are in the dungeons of La République du Cameroun, making them to understand that whatever they are facing, whatever they are going through, we are doing our possible best to fight the enemy in every angle that we can and free them without having a special status. Yes. So anyone who is preaching about special status something, put a middle finger and tell that person, say, you are Mami Pima. I don't talk am. Ayaya, Ambazonia, ayaya.
Ambazonia, Ambazonia, Ambazonia. Ahead, ahead. Ambazonia, ayaya. Generatoko, generatoko, generatoko. What can do it? Ayaya, Ambazonia, ayaya. Generatoko, generatoko, generatoko. Ito can do it. Ayaya, Ambazonia, ayaya.
Action. Hello? Okay. Yeah, stop. Okay. Go back for there. Okay. Move that your phone. I'm still recording you. No, any.
It has not really been easy with my team and I to go through this whole process, that is acting, directing, putting every ideas together. But at the end of the day, I really thank God because we did everything possible to put everything in the right position to send out that message that we want La République to understand and the international community to know our mindset. Freedom.
Recording. Okay, it's over 6 years now that I've been in exile. Chai. Well done.
Get out of there.
Unless you go from where your head.
I'll go down now, yes.
Ready?
Back that.
Yes, I'm ready.
If you say action, you say action. Man, no, before I go start. You are looking at a patriotic Ambazonia from Southern Cameroon. It's Southern Cameroons with S.
My DOP, which is the director of photography, really tried for me, Sha, as a trainee. Yes.
Yes, there's Cameroon. There's Cameroons. So you are looking at a patriotic Ambazonia. Yes.
And this is something I've always told every Ambazonian that I've met in this exile. Try to learn a skill and survive out of it while waiting for our freedom, or while waiting for our problem to be solved so that we can go home. Yes. So if this is your first time for watching my video, please subscribe. If you're on Facebook, follow me and be the first person to get a notification when I drop a new video or information. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. Now maybe Bazonia Bazozo, aka the patriotic Ambazonia, aka Ground Zero Pikin. Don't miss so.
As it come, never cool. I take picture.